Hello and welcome to the Life Alert activation video. My name is Andy and today we will show you each life-saving device, what they are used for, and how to install and activate them. Please notice the 800 number located on top of the box. A specific number for you will be displayed on this label. Please call the number on your box so our install office can help you do an easy install and test each device. To ensure the contents of the box do not fall out, please set it on a table, right side up like this, when you're opening the box. To ensure the correct position, you will want to have the 800 number on top. Next, use scissors, a box cutter, or a knife to carefully cut along the top of the box lengthwise, like this, away from yourself. Please be careful. Inside the box, you will find the user manuals for your devices, paperwork to fill out, and an envelope to send the paperwork back to us at no cost to you, unless it is a DocuSign option. Then it will be returned to Life Alert electronically. Inside the box will also be your protection package. This is the help button, the mobile help pendant with GPS for protection on the go, the two-way micro voice help pendant can be worn as either a pendant or around the wrist, and the main unit, which is also called the console. The main unit console and pendant will be enclosed in the plastic casing. To open, just grab the top of the casing and pull the top half up like this. The type of devices in the box will vary depending on the protection package that was ordered. This is the main unit. Before setting up your devices, please call the 800 number located on your box so we can assist you with activating your devices. An agent will stay with you on the phone while testing. Next, you will be instructed to place the main unit on a steady tabletop, centrally located, but also where pets and children will not get to it. The main unit's power cable needs to be plugged into an electrical outlet, preferably one not controlled by a wall switch. There is no need for a telephone jack or wire to be plugged in, as it is a cellular device. This is the power button that slides to the on position.
Unit powered on.
It might take a minute to activate.
Unit ready.
To test the main unit, press the yellow help button.
Contacting Life Alert Dispatch Center. Please stand by.
Please note, it may take a few minutes for a dispatcher to respond to a test as they are handling emergencies.
Hi, this is Life Alert Dispatcher number 1234. I have received your medical base signal. I am aware you are testing. Do you hear me loud and clear?
Yes, I do.
Excellent. Who am I speaking with today?
Marcia.
Hi, Marcia. Is there anyone on the phone helping you with activating your unit?
Yes.
Can I get their name?
Yeah, it's Andy.
Great. And to verify, you are Marcia,
Yes.
located at 16027 Ventura Boulevard.
Yes, that's right.
All right, this is a good test on the main unit. Next, we will test the medical pendant. I'm going to cancel the call and wait for you to press your pendant medallion.
Our Voice Micro Help series can be worn as either a pendant or around the wrist, is waterproof, and can be worn in the shower or while bathing. To test the voice pendant, walk to the furthest area of the residence that is away from the main unit, press the pendant, and hold for 3 seconds.
Contacting Life Alert Dispatch Center. Please stand by. Emergency reported. Processing now.
Hi, this is Life Alert Dispatcher number 1234. I have received your medical pendant signal. Do you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Great. And who am I speaking with?
Marcia.
Thank you very much. This was a good test. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, everything's fine.
All right. Welcome to Life Alert and have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
The micro voice pendant can also be worn on the wrist. Simply attach the band around your wrist, and this is waterproof, so you can wear it 24/7. Press the button and hold for 3 seconds to test or in an emergency.
Contacting Life Alert Dispatch Center. Please stand by.
Hi, this is Life Alert Dispatcher number 1234. I have received your medical pendant signal. I am aware you are testing. Do you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Excellent. Who am I speaking with today?
This is Andy.
Thank you. This was a good test. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. The help button has two-way communication and is completely waterproof. It can be located anywhere in the home, such as next to a bed or in the bathroom, but it really becomes a great lifesaver in the shower area because that is where most falls occur. You will need to test the device before mounting it to a wall. Simply press and hold the help button for 3 seconds.
Contacting Life Alert Dispatch Center. Please stand by. Emergency reported. Processing now.
Hi, this is Life Alert Dispatcher number 1234. I have received your help button signal. I am aware you are testing. Do you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Who am I speaking with today?
This is Andy.
This is a good test.
The help button is now ready to be mounted in the bathroom. Clean the surface where you want to mount the device. Peel the protective cover off the double-sided adhesive tape that is in the center and attach the help button to the desired wall surface location. Hold it firmly against the surface for about 15 seconds. When done, it is ready to use. This is the mobile help pendant with GPS. It can be clipped onto the belt, worn as a pendant, or placed in your pocket so you could take our protection with you when you leave your home. To test the device, press the help button in the middle for 3 seconds.
Contacting Life Alert Dispatch Center. Please stand by. Emergency reported. Processing now.
Hi, this is Life Alert Dispatcher number 1234. I have received your help pendant signal. Do you have an emergency?
No, I'm just testing.
Okay, and who am I speaking with?
Marcia?
Thank you very much. This is a good test. Is there anything else I can help with?
No, that's it.
Inside the box will also be our price guarantee service agreement. Please read the agreement and sign the bottom where the signature is required. The yellow copy underneath is for your files. And in some cases, you may need to sign the agreement on a computer device, which is called DocuSign. If signing with DocuSign, the agreement will be returned to Life Alert electronically. Also included are medical and emergency forms. Please fill out the paperwork to be sent back. Life Alert is a HIPAA-compliant emergency service, which means your personal information is safe with us. Place the agreement and medical paperwork inside the provided envelope, and a carrier service will be out within 2 business days to pick up the envelope. Each device comes with its own user manual. We recommend reading and learning about your life-saving devices and keeping the manuals in a safe place for future reference. Please remember to test your medical pendant monthly. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. For further assistance, please call the 800 number located underneath the main unit or in the user's manual. We wish you the best of health. Thank you.